So hey fellas, welcome back to the Vex Unboxing Activities. I hope is everyone home, the beloved ones, so stay safe and stay home. So today I'm going to tell you again about a cooking recipe, and today we are going to make sweet corn soup. So I'll tell you everything about the sweet corn soup, and I'll tell you the recipe and how to make it. So if you are not able to make it, then you will be able to make the soup from now, because I'm going to teach you how to make it. So let's get started with the video. Guys, these are the ingredients which we are going to put in our soup. So let's introduce themselves. Firstly, the main ingredient in our soup, sweet corn. Then after that we are having mushrooms, and after that we are having finely chopped carrots. This thing is a mixture of cauliflower and broccoli. These are beans, and these are capsicum, and we are having some more here. This is the mixture of onion, garlic and ginger and green chili, and we are having here this sweet corn paste, so that the soup will become condensed. So guys, now let's go to the pan. Guys, this is the pan which we are going to use today. Firstly, we'll put some desi ghee in the pan, and then after that paste of onion, garlic, green chili and ginger. My mom is doing this all this stuff because small children should not get close to fire. I will just give my mother instructions, and she will follow the instructions and make the soup. It has not to be properly cooked. It has to be sauté. Guys, sauté is a term in cooking. I don't know what is the meaning. I'll ask my mother. Now guys, we'll add the mixture of. Now we'll go with the chopped vegetables, and we'll put all the vegetables in the pan. Now the turn of the beans and capsicum. It should be on low flame. And now mushroom. And after that the main ingredient, sweet corn. All vegetables are to be put in the pan. See how beautiful these vegetables are, colorful. Now we'll add some water. Depending upon the quantity. Water has gone, and one more cup is coming. And gone. And one more cup is coming. Already I said you that the water to be put would be on depending on the quantity. Now we'll go with our paste, sweet corn paste. Now it has gone inside, and we'll stir it well after we pour the paste into our soup, because or the paste will or the paste can create lumps in the soup. I'll stir it. It's me stirring. Stir it well for some time. We have to stir it well. See the color of the water and the vegetables, multicolor. The video may be long, but you will enjoy and you will learn a new thing in cooking. Now,
in restaurant, it will be like, taste will be like soup we used to have in restaurants.
Yep. Firstly, we'll put black pepper in the soup, and then return of black salt, and after that 2 tablespoons of black salt and 1 tablespoon of black pepper and 2 tablespoons of white salt. And it can be as per your taste. Now we'll stir it well.
Okay, you can add turmeric. Oh, turmeric.
My mother is saying that we can add turmeric.
No turmeric.
No turmeric. We have to add no turmeric. Guys, I am telling you how to make the soup because it is really benefits in winter, and we can drink the soup in summer also, because it is really tasty. And the next ingredient which we are gonna put in the soup is corn flour paste. Firstly, corn flour is maida, which it is known as maida in Hindi. We'll add corn flour, and we'll add some water. 1 spoon of corn flour, and we'll add some water and mix it well. And now we'll put the gas on high flame. Now we after the next ingredient is corn flour paste, as I told you. Sorry guys, we'll put the corn flour paste in the end after the soup is made. I was really not knowing, but my mother just told me. So we'll put the corn flour paste in the end. But I just told you how to make the corn flour. Guys, the corn flour paste looks like this. And we'll put vinegar. Fellas, you can add cheese also.
And then
You know,
we will serve in a bowl.
we can add cheese also to decorate, and it will be eaten after all. Guys, this is very healthy soup because it is having many vegetables in it, including mushroom, so and broccoli and etc. So it is it is rich in minerals and vitamins and etc. Things.
5 minutes.
Guys, we'll cover this soup with the lid on low flame for 5 minutes. Guys, in next video I will tell you that how we will make. In next cooking video, absolutely, I will tell you that how we make amla jaggery paste, which is really healthy for health. Wait for the next cooking video. Just waiting. Guys, we have to check in between if the soup boils. Guys, I would recommend you to cover the pan or anything you are using to make a soup with a glass lid, so you can see that the soup isn't boiling. Sorry guys, well, the video is gonna be long, but still it would be helpful to you, as it would be a new thing. Okay, guys, when the foam will disappear, it means the soup has cooked and it is ready to be served. Guys, we have to put add 1 teaspoon of sugar also. Now we can add our corn flour paste, and we have to stir well so that lumps would not come in our soup. Guys, this soup is almost ready. Let me stir it again, and it is on high flame. This soup is almost ready because the foam is gone, and it is becoming the same color as the restaurant fun. Let me switch off the light. It could be because of light also. Oh, it was because of light only. Now guys, we have switched off the flame, and we'll pour it into the bowl, and it is now ready to be served. So fellas, maybe this is the end for today's video. I hope you liked the video, so please like to my video and subscribe to my channel, Devix Unboxing and Activities, and comment that did you make it and was it good? So guys, I learned the soup from my mommy. She is also having 2 channels on YouTube, so you can go and subscribe. First channel from which I learned the soup was Neha Activities, and second is To Be Happy. So please go there and subscribe to her channel. So guys, please like my video and subscribe to my channel, Devix Unboxing and Activities, and please comment down in the comment box. Hope to meet you soon again. Bye bye.